Wireless phone app intelligent control, convenient remote monitoring. With a built-in ESC to use app control, you can remotely monitor your charger and panel productivity while its phone. Remote monitoring technology ensures that you are always up to date.
A solar panel, wiring, and batteries are not included. The MPPT controller wiring up is as simple as matching up like for like on the positive and negative. The unit turns on. It shows 12.9 volts, 0.0 amps from the solar controller, and shows that we're 100% and that we are on a gel battery. We have gel, AGM, LiFePO4, lead acid sailed batteries, and more. We are now going to connect our solar panel to the unit. We are charging 13.3 to 14.2 at about 3 to 1 amp, depending on the sun array hitting the panel. Short pressing will give you the temperature 22 and 71 Fahrenheit. Pressing again will give you the error codes E00, no error. In order to set up the battery, you have a set mode, battery LED only, long press, short press, and exit. If we long press on the unit for over 5 seconds, we get a flashing light, and we short press to change to AGM and the next one, and so forth. And then we long press to lock in. We do not need to have a smartphone to run the unit, but if we want to watch in a different area or monitor the system, we have a smartphone application to do so. If for some reason your unit gets disconnected, it would tell you it's disconnected. It gives you push notifications. As we open up the app, we follow the instructions and we are on the window. Battery SoC at 100%, giving a little bit of information on top. We have a solar input, the voltage, and the status. We have the battery, the current voltage, and so forth. We could change from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We have a DC load, short circuit protection, and more. If we continue to scroll on the machine, we have the controller and today's running time. We have real-time monitoring, the history, and the parameter settings. In the parameter settings, it is locked. We have a battery type, automatic voltage. Advanced settings, low light, light display, turn the lights on, and so forth. In order to use the application correctly, you're going to have to click on the Bluetooth first. The Bluetooth will come into a list. Charge Pro 2.0 application, we're going to open up. We're going to accept to the agreement. And the battery is at SoC. There is a Bluetooth. It would like to connect to the Bluetooth. You click OK. But before we do that, let's go back into Bluetooth. We have Charge Pro. We need to connect. We successfully connected and back out. And now we're able to see the actual reading of our battery. We have the solar outside on the roof. It reads 23.5 status boost. The battery here is at 1.8 amps, 14.2 volts, 14 watts of power. The controller is at 23 Celsius, 77 Fahrenheit. Today's running data, this is what is offered. And if we want to see the history of how much kilowatts power we have, that's where we would read. So we're giving right now, before the sun's at its fullest, 19 watts. And it's going to increase and increase and increase to the amount of wattage that panel is. All the information is provided on the instructions. If you are looking for a battery charger with the solar panel, portable, to charge your boat, your car, your RV, this product may be right for you. On the battery side, it is well protected. Check for further details about your product and the size amperage you are looking for on your battery controller. Thank you for viewing.